Hey guys, this is Mehmood Sheikh, and from past few tutorials I am working on a video tutorial series of creating employee management system portal using MVC, PHP MVC Framework Codeigniter and HTML CSS Framework Bootstrap. In my last video I completed the functionality of creating or inserting contact details and displaying back or fetching those records back from the database, and in this video I'll be completing the functionality of qualification details. Okay, now let us go to our dashboard. Okay, when I click on this record, and if I click on contact details, I'll be getting the contact details from the database, and when I click on personal details, I'll be getting the personal details. And similarly, if I go to dashboard again, and if I click on this Amit, I'm not getting any details coming from the database for this particular record because I haven't saved any data for this employee. And when I click on this contact details, I'm getting an error for this because I'm not calling the records from the database whenever these fields are empty, whenever my result array is empty. So what I have to do is we just need to go to our model. Okay, and let's go to employee. Okay, I need to pass this this one. Okay, get employee contact details, okay, this one. In order to display this error is displaying because of this error here. Get into contact details. Here I'm not setting any condition for my image, that is if the result set is empty, if the data that is if the array that has been coming from the database is empty, I have to display this. If the array is filled with data, I have to display another image which is coming from the database. Okay, so I just have to go to my employee and I just copy this. Okay, I already copied it. Just copy this, Control C, and come to here contact details view, and here I need to put one condition, PHP if not empty of this array. Okay, if array is not empty, come down and put an else condition. And this, okay, then just copy this, paste it here. Yes. Resources slash images slash author.png. Now let's check the page. Okay, logs, HRMS reports, and then resources, images, author.png, resources, images, author.png. Okay, I just forgot to use base URL. Cut this and paste this here, and now I must get the image. Okay, now I'm getting the default image, and let us build a functionality for our qualification details. Whenever I click on the link, I'll get a for page not found because I haven't created a EMP qualification details function set. So just copy this and come to our employee controller, and then create a function. Paste this function and pass the employee ID. Okay, here let us call the view this load view. Okay, I need to create a view as EMP qualification details. So just right click on this view and create a new file and save it with the name of EMP qualification details.php. Okay, and for this let's copy this entire data from the dashboard. Just Control A and copy by pressing Control C and then paste it out here. Okay. Okay, sorry, not from the dashboard, this view. Okay, EMP contact details. Just Control A, Control C, copy and come to EMP qualification details and paste it here. Now I want 4 text boxes the way I have done here. Okay. I want these 4 text boxes to be displayed on my form here. So what I'll be doing is I'll just delete whatever data I don't want. Let's just delete this. Delete this PHP code from the code. Qualification details. Okay. This one also. Refresh. Okay. Undefined property load on 155. Employee controller 155. Okay, undefined variable result. Okay, let's come here, and from here I need to pass just copy this, copy and paste it here. I have explained why I have passing this here in my previous videos, so if you are getting any confusion, then just please refer to my last videos. Okay, now I won't get any errors. Well, let's see, unexpected. This. Okay. Now I'm not getting any error here. Okay, let me explain it once again, because see, you can see here there is an error as undefined variable result and trying to get property of non-object. All these errors I am getting because I am using a variable here with a name of result of user ID, which is this is the result set that I am getting from my database. Okay. With a function of this get employee records, you can get that function inside your model. Get records. Okay, you can see I'm getting the data from this function from table users. Okay, whatever data is being sent from the database with the help of this function will receive here and passed to this variable, and that whenever we pass this variable inside our view, we will receive the data of our user. We will receive the data. You can see here there is a link showing at down of this window saying that 127.0.0.1/HRMS report/employee/emp qualification 0/3 is the user ID which I am getting with the help of this function. This result array will contain the user ID which I am passing to this view emp qualification details, and I am receiving this user ID here in my view. Okay, so let's just change our fields. First is SSLC, name as SSLC, this is a placeholder. Okay, and PUC, graduation, copy, and placeholder also. Okay, and then post graduation. Copy this, paste it here. Post graduation, copy, paste it here, okay. Now let's refresh our page. You can see SSLC, PUC graduation and post graduation. So whenever I click on this, I'll be redirected to a function saying that emp qualification details. Okay, let's go to our employee controller, and from here copy this emp qualification details. add qualification details. Save it, copy it, and come to employee and create another function. Click function add qualification details and pass an employee ID to this. Okay, and here we need to set our user validation. Oh sorry, not this here. This is EMP qualification. This is EMP contact details. Mistakenly I made changes in my contact details form. Okay, EMP qualification details here. EMP qualification details, it should go to add qualification details. Whenever user submit the form by clicking on the submit button, control will get transferred to this add qualification details function inside employee controller, and employee ID will be passed from here to our function, to our add qualification details function. So now let's just go to our Codeigniter user guide. User guide, and click this, then go to form validation class, click on form and copy the code, come back again and paste it. Okay. SSLC, PUC, and then graduation, and then post graduation, okay, 4 pairs of universal shows, and then remove this and delete this, and then call this function, copy this. Okay, let us see, we should get the errors now. Okay, I'm getting the error. SSS field is required, PUC field is required, graduation field, okay. Graduation field is required and post graduation field is required. Okay, now we need to create a function inside our model to save the data, to save our qualification details data into our database. So let's create a function as public function insert qualification details, and we'll pass an employee ID for this. Okay. Okay, from here we'll be sending the data, so we should pass the data field. Okay. Then copy this. Okay, then data qualification details. Okay, then I'll be returning the status of other 0 to 1, and then come back to our employee. Here we will call our model. This load model queries. just click for that. Let's create a variable as data and store the values inside it. Form data, this input, post. Okay. And check if let's just copy this, and paste it here. If queries, insert this function, copy and paste it here. Add, okay, enter the contact. Qualification added successfully. Failed to add qualification. Details. Okay. Okay, now let us check, refresh. Yeah, submit. Okay. Graduation field is required. Okay. Graduation. This is QC graduation, post graduation. Check it out here. SSLC, PUC. Okay. Graduation. Okay. Now let us. I'll try to insert the record. Graduation. Post graduation. Let's just try to print the errors. Okay, graduation field is required. Okay, graduation field. Graduation field is required. Okay, let's copy this. First copy and replace it with the new code. Graduation, copy, paste it here, copy, paste it here, okay. Now just try to refresh our page and okay, come to our employee and uncomment this, refresh, and submit. Okay, there is an error saying that table HRMS report EMP qualification details doesn't exist. Let us check in our model. Check for database. PMP qualifications. So I should remove details and refresh. And when I submit, let's see PMP qualification. Okay. PMP qualifications. Okay. Refresh now. Okay, now the record has been added successfully. So let's check our qualification details. Okay, record is saved. Now we need to get that record and display whenever I click on this qualification details. Okay, so let's create another function, public function, get employee qualification details. Okay, then pass an employee ID to this and copy this, paste it here, change it to PMP qualifications and come to our employee and copy this and paste it here, make it an array as records, copy this and paste it here. Okay, and come to our view, PMP qualification details. Here we need to display the data from dollar records of SSLC. Copy this, paste it here, make it as PUC and paste it here, make it as graduation and paste it here, make it as post graduation. Okay, and okay, let's just refresh. Okay, notice undefined property. Let's first check for our array. PHP print our dollar records. Okay, username and password. Okay, come here. Okay, copy this and paste it here and refresh. Okay, now I got the data. Okay, let's go to view and remove this. Okay, here I got the data but I didn't get the image now. So to get the image I need to call another function the way we did for our contact details. We need to do the same thing for our qualification details. Let's come to our employee and copy this code from contact details function and paste it here and copy this and pass this to our view. Okay, and come to our employee controller, come to our view actually. Okay, now here to display the image, where is that? Okay, here. avatar. Okay, qualification details, line 14. $, copy and paste. Okay, here the same thing, get EMP personal details. Okay, profile pic is passed. Copy this. Profile pic. This queries get EMP percentages. Copy, paste it here. Enter $profile pic and exit. I think we have not uploaded any image, right? Okay, that's why I'm not getting any data for this. Okay, because I have not added my personal details for this employee. So, okay, just come here. Okay, everything is fine here. And okay, so go to dashboard. Okay, and add some personal details. Raghavan. Gender, male, Indian, single, and then select an image. Okay, I got it saved. Okay, now I got the image, and then contact details. Okay, save it. EMP contact details. Copy. Okay, let's try it once. EMP contact details. Add EMP contact details. Copy this, save it, and paste it here. Okay, now contact details are saved and it's been retrieved also. And now qualification details. Okay, now you can see I'm getting the data for my image. So qualification details, Now I must get the image here. See, now I'm getting the image, qualification details. Okay. Qualification details are saved. Okay, let's go to our dashboard now and click on Ajay. And whenever I click on this qualification details, I am getting an error because I have not set a validation. I have not checked for the emptiness of an array, emptiness of the data that is been received from the database. So I'll just do it now. If not empty of $profile pic, then we should get this, or else and copy this and paste it here and remove this now. This URL so just slash images slash .png. Okay, now I should qualification details. Okay, one error gets removed. Now I need to do the same thing for my text fields. So just copy this and paste it here and put an else condition here and okay, copy this, paste and remove this value. Copy, paste it here and put an else condition and if copy this and paste it here again and remove this one. Okay, next copy once again, paste it here, put an else condition and if copy, paste it here and remove this one. Now copy, paste it here, put condition and if okay, and here also copy, paste it here, else PHP and copy this. Okay, no need to display anything. In contact details, I think here also have done this. Okay, it's completed. Okay, now let's check. Expecting square bracket on 41. Sorry. Okay. Yeah. The records, this one, copy, and paste it here, paste it here. Okay. To the property of non-object 13 months. Okay, records, I guess. Okay. Records. Copy this. Paste. Okay. Now I must get the data back from the database. Okay, still not getting it. Okay. Contact details. Get EMP qualifications. Okay. Copy. Employee. Records from here. Records of SSLC. Let's just try to print it here. Records. Dashboard. Okay. Okay, I'm getting a record for this. Go to dashboard. Okay, I'm not having any record. The personal details, contact details, and qualification details, and Ajay. Okay, now I'm not getting any error for those employees whose data is not present in the database. Okay, and now we have successfully completed the functionality of qualification details. Okay, these personal details, contact details, and qualification details. Okay, in my next video I will show you how to add a breadcrumb. Okay, I will show you how to add a breadcrumb here, the way I did it here, and then after that I will create a functionality to delete the employees. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel so that you will get the latest updates of my videos. And thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video.